This hair is giving green beans, potatoes, tomatoes, yams, goddamn. You name it. That's what it's giving. Hi beauties, let's get started. So that beautiful Jerry curly wig from the intro is from Nadula hair, and this is what came inside the box. You have 2 milk bands, lashes, and a wig cap, but this is the wig. It is a 13x4 reddish brown Jerry curly wig in 20 inches, and it came lightly plucked, so I'm going to keep it like that, and the knots are very nice. So I'm just going to add a little bit of my foundation shade to the lace because that's the easiest, and it also comes with this adjustable strap, so it can be worn glueless. Y'all, I love the way this wig fit on my head. Little head friendly, average head friendly. It does give a little room in the back, so I really like that. I did notice I needed to customize the hairline a bit, so that's what you guys see here, kind of pulled out. I end up using those side pieces for my sideburns, but that middle has got to go. I love how it was plucked for somebody who kind of wanted to make a widow's peak. This would be great for that, but because of the size of my head, I didn't want that. I am going in with the Even Wonder lace in the black. I'm going to spray that on not only the lace, but also the skin in front of my hairline. I like to do that 1-2 punch combo. I saw someone on YouTube do it once and I thought it was pretty cool. I got this fan from Dollar Tree, very convenient. It was $1 then. Now it's gonna be like, like $1.25, $1.30. But I'm gonna do another layer of Even and then put that wig right on. Y'all, this wig was very easy to install. I do love the lace. I have to check the links down below to see what kind of lace it is, but it melted into my skin so beautifully. I also like to go on top and do a thin little layer across the hairline on top of the wig. It just helps to secure the melt, honey. Just believe me, okay? Just do it. And then I'm gonna go in with this lace band and let that sit and marinate while I get the wig ready. So I did manipulate the curls too much right here. If you guys would like to see a tutorial video on how I really get these curls defined, then that's going to be in another video. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date when that upload will come. But for now, we're just going to hot comb her just to get it a little flatter. And I'm going to be doing my baby hairs or adult hairs a little later in the video. So please keep watching to see that. And I'll come back to you guys with the finished results. Alright, beauty, so that is it for this video. This is what the hair this is what the hair is looking like after being diffused. If you guys are interested to see how I, define these curls and get it diffused, there will be a video for that. So please stay tuned and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with those uploads. Feel free to also tune in and follow my Instagram and TikTok for some updates on this hair and just see how I rock it, because she gonna stay in for a while. She's let's do a little 360. This hair is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check down there for all the details, the links, and whatnot. Thanks so much to Nadula Hair, because this hair is giving green beans, potatoes, tomatoes, yams, goddamn. You name it. That's what it's giving. So at this point in the video, I'm talking too much, so I'm about to go. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.